Finally, a question personally: are you happy being a MP, or you have your eyes again on doubly to contest because you'll?
No, I have a task on hand as MP. Lot of issues. आणि खूपशे इश्यूज आम्ही सॉल्व केल्या. लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. अँड आय एम कंटिन्युअसली जेन्ना गोंया पार्लमेंट जालो त्याच दिसा आमी रावप ना थंय. मोस्ट ऑफ द MPs आय सी दे व्हेरी कम्फर्टेबल वीथ द दिल्ली कल्चर. फॉर मी नो. पार्लमेंट जालो त्या दिसा फ्रॉम पार्लमेंट हाऊस स्ट्रेट टू द एअरपोर्ट. But I know my people are there back home. I take up a lot of issues across from Goa. So Ami Vetugosti, we raise there, we go to the ministries, different ministries, whether tourism related, whether OCI issues, whether so many things, whether land related issues, compensation issues, Boma temples. Nobody is aware. I'm continuously fighting there. Not only with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, but I am also fighting with the Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism, because it is affecting our culture. Boma temples is not just a temple, it is आमची संस्कृती. They have been existing for 450-500 years, those temples. तुम्ही येतात आणि suddenly म्हणता highway in the name of what development? It is not development.